Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ride 4 with a controller. First, connect your controller to your PC or console. Make sure your controller's software is up to date for the best experience. Once connected, launch Ride 4 and head straight into the game's main options. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and responsive ride, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the racing action from the very start. Next, dive into the Controls menu to see the default button mapping. You'll find standard assignments for acceleration, braking, and shifting gears. Feel free to remap these to your liking. Many players prefer to adjust the throttle and brake sensitivity for more precise control, often setting them to about 75% for a balanced feel. Experiment to find what works best for you. Now, let's explore advanced settings. Adjusting steering sensitivity is key. A lower setting offers more stability, while a higher one provides quicker turns. Consider setting your steering sensitivity around 60% for a good balance. Also, modify dead zones to prevent accidental inputs, especially if your controller has slight stick drift. Finally, fine-tune vibration feedback to enhance your immersion, feeling every bump and acceleration. The final step is practice and refinement. Begin with the game's tutorials or a simpler track to get a feel for your new settings. Focus on mastering cornering and braking, as these are fundamental to fast lap times. Many riders find that consistent practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, significantly improves their control. Gradually increase the difficulty and challenge yourself on more complex circuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.